Hello students, today in this video we are going to start with the next chapter 13, triangles and quadrilaterals. In this video we will start with triangles. Coming to the introduction point, I am going to start with triangles. Before that we are to discuss about points. See, we have two types of points, like as we know, on a single line we can have many points. So many points we can have: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, so on. As these points are lying on the same line, one single line, that's why these points are called collinear points. What are they? Collinear points. Now if the points are not on the same line, see, I have taken a line. A is here, B is here, C here and D here. D here, and E here. See, all these points are not on the same line. Same line पे कौन से हैं? A, C and E. B and D are non-collinear points. जब line single line पे points नहीं होते, then they are called non-collinear points. अब जब non-collinear points होते हैं, suppose we have any three non-collinear points, as I have taken like this. These are the points. Non-collinear points को जब हम join करवा देते हैं each side, ये देखो ऐसे, and इधर से भी, तो this is a three-sided figure which is your main topic. This is a three-sided figure. This is called a triangle. Three-sided figure. It has three vertices. Vertices क्या होते हैं? Vertices means corner point. इसके vertices कौन से हैं? This A, vertex point A, point B, point C. These are called vertex. Singularly it is called vertex and plural it is called vertices. Now the next is elements of a triangle. Elements of a triangle. This is the symbol of triangle. Triangle की जगह पे ये symbol यूज कर सकते हैं. Symbol of triangle. We were talking about elements of a triangle. Now what are elements? Elements means parts. अब एक triangle के 6 parts होते हैं, 6 elements होते हैं. Now what are 6 elements? 6 elements में it has 3 angles and 3 sides. 6 elements में 3 angle आते हैं, 3 sides आती हैं. Now what are angles? See here on the figure. Angle A, this one. This is angle B and this is angle C. So we have angle A, angle B, angle C. This is the symbol of angle. आपने ये 4th में भी किया हुआ है. Now sides. ये A से लेके B तक, this one point से दूसरे point तक, this one is the full one side. B से C तक ये वाली side and C to A, this one is third side. तो means A से B तक first side is AB. B से C तक second side is BC. And C से A तक, the last side is CA. So these 3 angles and these 3 sides, ये सब मिलके बनाते हैं 6 elements of a triangle. Now have a look on the book. See, collinear points that lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. जो same line पे नहीं होते, they are on the different planes, they are called non-collinear points. और अगर हम ट्रायंगल जोड़ लेते हैं 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स को, तो ट्रायंगल बन जाता है. ट्रायंगल के 3 वर्टिसेस होते हैं और 3 एंगल्स और 3 साइड्स. 3 एंगल्स है. ये एंगल्स का नाम आपको बता चुकी हूँ मैं. और 3 एंगल्स के साथ 3 साइड्स को अगर हम मिला दें, दे ऑल टुगेदर मेक 6 पार्ट्स और 6 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. In this video we will do this much. In the next video I will show you classification of triangles. Thank you.